started the recording. Sorry. Some set of rules will be there for removing the columns and filling the columns. For that particular part, we'll be using a stats part over there. In a how in that way, we'll be analyzing the column in the form of the in the form of the graphical format. We'll be analyzing that. After that graphical format, we'll be using some start part for the filling the data purpose, like mean median mode. We already know about the mean median mode, but we don't know where it is used in the analysis part. We'll be using that mean median mode for the cleaning, but it's very important for the cleaning of the stuff. And you people already I think like hypothetical testing, few testing will be there to get a conclusion part. Few set of rules will be there. It's very easy. Everything will be done by the libraries itself, but just we have to know the what it is doing behind it. If not, it doesn't make sense. For example, for example, let's go without without knowing the for example, let's give you an example. We will be learning the maths behind it, but we just each and every part there itself doing with the codes itself. Everything will be done by the Python is having inbuilt and everything. Okay. And also these cleaning part stuff will be using in pandas over there. That was a library. After that, numpy will be there. Numpy is a library, pandas is a library, matplotlib, seaborn. The visualization stuff, for that visualization part, will be having a library of matplotlib and seaborn. They were the two inbuilt libraries already. And here pandas for the having doing a few set of operations, and numpy for the numerical Python, and pandas for the reading and conversion. Here also data types also mandatory over here. We in which format data is in, first of all we have to check that. If not we cannot correct it out. We have to change the data types and we have to arrange it like an we have to analyze the data. Like first of all we have to study the column lab. Let's give an example. One second. Let's share my screen. You can see my screen now. One second, give me a minute. One second. 2 minutes. In this way data will be like, for example, these like an hotel bookings data. In the hotel bookings cancellation prediction, for example, if you want to predict the cancellation, for example, that is the target of our project. For example, imagine that is the target of your project, for example, to predict the cancellation. What were the scenarios and what were the things were playing a major role for the cancellation. For example, if your client is asking for to do that particular analysis, means you have to analyze each and every column. By taking this data set, it's very impossible to directly analyze the things. For that particular things, few set of rules will be there before building and reports and dashboard. That things will be done in Python itself, we can do in Excel itself, we can do and by using Power BI also we can do. But we have to follow the few according to the client requirement. We have to use the tool Power BI or Excel or SQL or Python itself. In that way we have to analyze the things in which column what is happening in which column, and which column is in which format, and which data type also mandatory over here. For that particular purpose, to reach that level, we'll be learning with the, first of all, to reach to that level to analysis part, what were the stuff to do that cope up with that particular part. We'll be starting with the basics of the Python, from the basics of the Python from the scratch, like knowing the data types of the Python and the loop statements. And after that like how the data filling part will be, in which way regex will be learning about the regex. And after that, like about the libraries part. And each and every library has its own importance in the Python. Has the, after these were the important stuff for the everyone. Everyone is telling like, it's these data analysts and business analysts are like only these tools which were, if you want to upgrade in future, these tools which you're learning were very much useful for you to become a data scientist tomorrow itself. If you add an ML part to that particular, these particular tools, why? Because these particular tools are very very important, and everyone is telling, a few people are thinking that data analytics is like an only the insights and that stuff part. In few companies, the data analysts are preparing the data for the data scientists and ML engineers to build the model itself, to analyzing the columns and the till future engineering part also. In some companies, these people are getting used. Why? Because few people are thinking that these stuff part like analyzing and reports and making dashboards itself, but this having the importance, like literal I'm saying, these people in some companies, these people are preparing the data for the data scientists, but who were uh, building the building the models over there. And any doubts, guys, till here? Any doubts?
Not for now.
Not for now. Do you have any idea about coding background? If you do you have any idea about coding, Pradeep?
No.
Before earlier, you don't have. If you don't have any
No.
idea, also we are going to start from scratch itself. We'll be one step. We'll be climbing over here. No need to worry about that. Literally, I'm saying
Okay, thank you.
we follow for if you follow the instruction, if you are dedicated, and if you want to really achieve your goal in a way, like means you will can easily cope up with this stuff. Okay.
Okay,
Any
thank you.
other any other queries? Pavani, I have seen you today itself. I have not seen you in the earlier classes. I want you to ask any queries if you're having, any queries, if you're having.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm Pavani.
Okay.
Actually, I don't have any job experience or nothing else, and I'm almost 2010 passed out.
Okay.
So I'm homemaker till now. I
Okay.
wanted to do a job right now, so I want to enter the field. Is it easy for me to choose this analytics, data analytics? I mean,
Very,
MBA
very, very,
branch.
very.
MBA. My PG is MBA,
Okay.
and my degree is BSc Biotechnology with computers.
Okay.
So, is it easy for me to take choose this data analytics, or
Is
can I get into
irrespective of
this?
your irrespective of your background. It's like, for example, if you're from the pharmacy background, means that particular domain of the companies are going to pick you as a data analyst. If you're from which
Okay.
background, that particular set of the companies are going to pick you as a data analyst. Why? Because the domain, the from which background you were from, you can, that particular companies are going to pick you. Why? Because you are having an domain knowledge also will be matters over here. Literally, I'm saying, if I go with the domain knowledge is very very important. Domain expert will be there in the companies to explain you about the domain knowledges. If not, some domain knowledge is enough, but if domain knowledge is more, if you're having that much domain knowledge, means company is going to pick you for that particular roles itself. It varies,
Okay.
not to the one particular uh, industry this related to. It varies. Data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, and ML engineer varies. Okay. Not to one
Okay.
industry, not to one industry of IT. If you're having a non coding background also, Python is very easy to learn. Literally, I'm saying, very very easy language among the coding, among the languages, among the languages like Java, C, C++. Python is very very easy, a few lines of code, not having a multiple lines of code here. Literally, I'm saying, I want to tell you one fact. Without using
Okay.
Google, even IITians cannot write code.
Okay.
If you agree with me or not, I don't know, but till ML, till the interview preparation part, we have to crack the interviews. After that, everyone will be using Google over there to write the coding part over there. We have to know the stuff. We have to know the stuff like which one is useful for which one and how to use it. Literally, I'm saying. If not, even IITians cannot write the code and cannot build the logic without using Google and ChatGPT.
Okay.
Everyone is afraid of coding, like, what I have to do with this coding part? I'm not to that level. They were someone. No one can without using Google. No one can. not work. If Google is stopped for a day in Hyderabad, they'll be kicked out of from the offices in the Hyderabad itself. Literally, I'm saying this no
Okay.
one knows about this. People initially, I'm not talking about the people who are having experience. People who were initial stages, people are very much afraid of the coding, but they don't know the real fact is like without using Google, no one cannot. Are you agree with
Okay.
me? Meena, are you agree with me?
Uh, yeah, sir. You are correct.
Is it right now? Without using Google, no one cannot write the code, na? Means like
Yes,
the
yes.
modification part only. There, people will things like the IITians are somewhere. No one is somewhere. Just they logic building for from that point of view they're getting, and that handsome money. That's it. In my view, like I've seen so many people, they're getting paid for the problem solving and the logic building and the in that particular set of skills. I think. Are you agree with me, Meena? Are you agree with me or?
Yeah, sir. You are correct.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Any other queries? Any other queries? Anyone? Any other queries? Amina, Pradeep, any other queries? Topics are interlinked. No need to worry about the if I invest for this particular topic is the second. Literal, I'm saying if you are investing 1 month, it's going to take to complete the Python stuff. After that, the topics are repetitive. Few topics in means like concepts were repetitive. Concepts were repetitive. It is easy to learn SQL. If you're okay with Excel, means 60% of the Excel only Power BI itself. After that, stats is very easy. Just will be learning the thing what is happening behind it. But people are very much afraid of the math background. Math. Nothing. Math is very easy. Literally, I'm just we are knowing the things. No one is going to ask you about the to give you a paper and to solve that particular thing. A few people, like only 10% of the people interviewers are if they are liking match means they are going to stretch you the interview. They're going to take you to that level. If not, they're not going to take you. The interview will be diversified. But max is like just you have to know the things like the way why it is and what it does. That's it. They're not going to ask you to solve that with formulas. Little I'm saying. Is there anything, Pradeep? Something you wanna something?
No, I just started, so I don't have that many questions. I'll just follow through it.
Okay, fine. If you follow, it's more than enough. You can easily you can
I will thank you.
reach your target as a data analyst. Just do the things and follow my instruction. That's it. Without
Okay,
using Google, no one cannot. That little I'm saying. That was the one reason why because that's the thing which is happening in the industry right now. Anything, any queries? Anything you people want me to teach, like any other technical stuff also, I'll start that particular technical stuff, how it works and how it looks and in that way. Any queries? Any queries? Any queries? Any queries? Any queries? Amina, Meena, Bhavani. Bhavani, I think this is your first day, na? You already
Yes,
said, I
sir.
think.
Yes, sir. This is my first day.
Okay, fine. No need to worry, Bhavani. It will be fine. It will be well. No worries. You can handle it. Don't think
Okay.
about the past. You can handle it easily. Python is easy and everything. You can if you focus. Literally, I'm saying within after completing this, if you're 1 or 2 months more, 1 or 2 months. If you're struggling for the interviews, means easily you can crack the job. No worries, cool.
Are there
Any
any
other queries?
openings for freshers with data analytics? I mean,
There will be.
without any experience.
Without any
Is
experience,
it
there n number of openings will be there. N number of openings will be there. N
okay?
number of openings. N number of openings. Jobs are increasing for this particular data related fields. Not only data analytics, you can target if you're okay with Python and SQL, and if you're learning any other few tools will be there, added tools. If you're learning with that stuff, means you can target data engineering roles also. This is the advantage of the data related fields you can target easily. Not only this data analytics, you can target business analytics, you can target data engineering roles also.
No need of learning all many tools like other all, but is it enough to learn one or two tools? Yes, sir. Is it okay with one or
No,
two
no,
tools?
not like 1 or 2 tools means you cannot crack the job. Why? Because like if you're going with 1 or 2 tools means company as per the client requirements they will be like if client is going to ask you to work get the reports on the problem means you have to do with that. If not, if they are asking you to go with the Excel means you have to go with the Excel. If you're asking you to go with any other tool apart from this means you have to go with that. In that way the working scenario will be. If you're
Okay.
if you're strict to one two particular tool means that will be like you're thinking that you'll be in safe zone, but that's not going to uh, um, uh, travel you in the industry itself.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, IT no, this particular sector is like updation. That's it.
Yes. Yes, sir. Okay.
I mean, I left off. Okay, fine. Any other thing you people want me to teach? Any other thing? Any other thing? Meena, your software development means which background you're working? I know, please, if you don't
I
mind.
worked in embedded domain, sir.
That was related. That was related to EC, I think, na?
Yes, yes, easy.
EC.
I mean, you were asking like brand stream, right? Stream in BTech. Yeah, EC
BTech
only.
stream, and
I'm
when you have
from EC.
completed, when you have completed.
I completed 2015 was my BTech. I completed my MTech was in 2018.
Okay, you're in 15 passed batch of BTech.
Yes,
Okay, fine. You want to switch to as a data analyst.
joined with MTech only. Yeah.
Okay. Any other queries, Pradeep, Pavani? Why? Because they were already have attended 2 demos part. I don't have much worried about them. Two people. Only this Pavani and Pradeep. If you have any queries, you can feel free to ask me. No worries, cool. If not, if you people are shy, means you can ask in. You can put your query in chart itself also. It's up to you people. Everyone is worried about like career opportunities. What will be the what will our future in after learning this? Literal, I'm saying coming days are related to the AI part and data science, data analytics. Every business will going to rely on this data. Not only not only few business and top people. Every business is going to relying on data in future coming days. And right now only companies are most probably companies are relying on data. In coming days, it's going to keeps on. It's going to increase the percentage. Literal, I'm saying. And if you see, uh, if you see previously and past days, no one have that much. No one have that much idea about these particular fields related data. This is the particular this is the like particular revolution have arrived right now itself, like data revolution in the particular scenario. If you keeps on see, it's going to increase and stuff. You can target n number of roles, not only one particular data analyst role. If you're learning these skills, SQL is very, 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 very important. SQL is very, 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 very important. SQL, Python. If few people are bored enough with data analytics also, if people already have told you, like people will go with the AI stuff. If you people after learning that algorithms, after learning the deep learning part, if you people want to enthusiastic towards that particular AI means, if you people are building in future after having experience on this, any other thing, any other thing, any other thing, any other thing, any other thing. Pradeep, any other thing.
Like I said, this is my first day, so I will follow up.
You have worked earlier. You have worked or what?
No, no,
You
I'm
have
just a student now.
the student. You're from Hyderabad.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
from UK right
I'll,
now, but you're from Hyderabad. If
yeah.
earlier. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Any other thing? Any other thing? Any other thing? Any other thing? Management have asked me about the if you people are comfortable with morning session means if not let's change the batch timings if you people want, any one of you, if people want to change the batch timing means uh, let's change the batch timings also. Majority of the people will be
Sir, morning
uh,
session is good, I think so,
okay,
because
fine.
we have a fresh mind on morning session. So evening time, so we tired and we are not concentrate more. So
Okay,
I feel that morning session is good to learn.
okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, Meena, let's ask them to. What about the morning?
At what time? At what
Yes, sir.
time you are
Morning
thinking
session is
to?
okay with me, sir.
Well, it's
Maybe
7 to
after
8,
10.
Pradeep, I think.
Not in the morning, means early morning. Maybe
That's
after
okay.
9 and 10 it is
7 to
okay.
8 means it will be midnight too for me.
It will be midnight for you. Okay, fine.
Midnight 2 o'clock for me. 7:30 is
Oh,
a
okay,
midnight two
fine.
o'clock for me.
Okay, fine. Let's check with management also.
Okay,
No need to
thank
worry.
you.
No worries. Let's check with management and let's take the most of the people decision. They're going to arrange for the people who were interested for the morning sessions means they're going to arrange these for them they're going to arrange one slot itself. If people who were interested in the evening batches means they're going to continue with this
So
particular
for
timing. They
that
can continue
trainer,
with.
different trainers or you only, sir, for that morning session also? Navdeep?
I'm only
Okay, sir.
for me only. Any other thing? Pavani, any other thing? I'm only for that morning session also. I'm only if according to the comfortableness of the people, they're going to arrange one slot. If people who were interested in evening, they're going to continue with this particular slot. People who were interested in morning, they're going to arrange one slot in the morning itself.
How many
According to
members will
the
be there, sir, for each batch?
for each batch,
I mean,
I don't
evening
know.
batch or morning batch.
I don't know.
No,
I don't know. You have to check. You have to check with management. I don't know.
no, present only 4 members are there, right? That's why I'm asking.
No, no, I don't know. It depends upon the people, na. It depends upon the people interest and it depends upon the it depends upon the joinings and people interest and everything matters over there. And few batches are going to start with 4 people, 5 people, and few batches are having ten people according to the people mindset and business for this particular institute.
Okay.
Everything matters over here, no?
Okay, sir.
That's the thing.
What topics have you completed, sir, before 2 days?
Not
Did
yet
anything you
completed any
start,
talk.
sir? Did
Nothing,
you start
nothing.
anything?
Just nothing. Nothing. I've started nothing. Management have told me to go with only demos part with for 2 3 days. Why? Because like if I start, people who were joining late, a few people who were not yet joined means who were joining late, mean they are going to miss the topics. Now that's why I've not yet started any topic. Have to start from tomorrow itself. I'm thinking I have to check with management first of all. After that, I will start. I have to wait for the
Okay.
joinings also. Na 1 week it will be like very slow. We have to go with slow. Why? Because few people were attending demos and few people are not yet, and people are missing, and that's gap. That few days gap. Have to fill it out. That's the thing.
Okay.
Any other thing? Any questions? Any questions? I'll show you how the data analytics stuff will be. Once again. Second. Wait for 2 minutes. There is a Power BI application, and also see here. Once again. It is loading. I'm opening the dashboard which I've built earlier. Just I want to show you the sample dashboard which I've built. In this way, dashboard will be. In this way, the reports will be in this way. Just over here, we'll be doing, and will be most probably will be analyzing the data for the dashboards and reports purpose. Okay, this is a Power BI application. For that, this is a file which I've used for the dashboard building, and if people want to see the SQL stuff means I'll show you the page admin. I should have shown you might be like, but again for today. Pradeep, this is the interface of the PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a database. Here we are learning the SQL language, structure query language, because like structure query language is used in the relational databases itself. Relational databases examples, if I go for PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, there are so many relational databases. Our database also there relational databases, but most probably like we'll be focusing on this uh, PostgreSQL. Why? Because like these also relational databases. In the relational databases, we'll be using an SQL stuff. That's it. SQL is in general language. If you know English, you can learn easily SQL stuff. No need to worry about an SQL part.
Okay.
That's the thing. I'll show you how the queries will be. I'll write one query just. Sorry guys, might be I'm facing network issue. Sorry for that. No worries, cool. You can see this is the uh, this is the where this called as an PG admin graphical interface of that PostgreSQL where we'll be doing queries. Select stuff from actor table. See here n number of tables will be there. Actor. So I'm running this, highlighting the data from that particular table is going to extracted here. In this way, the Excel is mainly the main purpose and the main agent of the Excel. Main purpose of the SQL is for to extract the data, to to extract the data from the databases, to store the data, manipulate the data, and for that particular purpose, mainly we'll be learning SQL stuff. That's it. Any other thing? Any other thing? Any doubts? Any other thing? Any other thing? If you want people to know any other thing, any other stuff. If not, I'll wrap up the session. There is nothing to discuss it. Why? Because like I want to start the technical stuff from tomorrow. If people are okay with that, means I'll start the technical stuff from the tomorrow itself. Let's wait. Okay. According to the management instructions, I'll start. Do you want me to start any other topic? Means let me know. I'll start. If you people want me know or Pavani or Amina means Pradeep means. If you people want me to start any other Python topic, also I'll start right now itself. Nothing to discuss about this demo part itself. Why? Because it's already we have discussed it already two sessions and this entire 80% we have discussed it. Okay. Any other thing? I mean, Pavani, Pradeep.
No. If you want, you can start the Python.
Me to start Python. Okay, fine. I'll start.
సో టుమారో మార్నింగ్ ఉంటుందా పైథాన్ లేకపోతే ఈవినింగ్ సెషన్ ఉంటుందా?
మార్నింగ్ ఒకసారి మేనేజ్మెంట్ తో మీరు మాట్లాడితే పీపుల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ బట్టి దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అరేంజ్ వన్ సెషన్ మార్నింగ్.
ఈరోజు అడిగాను సార్, అరేంజ్ చేస్తామని చెప్పారు. ఇంకొకసారి టుమారో కాల్
ఓకే
చేసి అడుగుతాను. ఓకే సార్.
అరేంజ్ నాకు చెప్పారు స్లాట్ 7 to 8 సంథింగ్ స్లాట్ చెప్పారు నాకు కూడా. ఓకే ఫైన్, ఐల్ చెక్ విత్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ పీపుల్, అంటే ఈ స్లాట్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ స్లాట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్. సో
ఓకే
అయితే
మీనా.
టుమారో మార్నింగ్
ఓకే
ఇదే
ఫైన్, నో
లింకేనా
వరీస్
సార్
ఫైన్.
అయితే?
వాళ్ళతో కనుక్కోండి ఒకసారి, వి హావ్ టు చెక్ విత్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే ఫైన్. Okay, I'll start tomorrow, Amina. Don't mind. Already it's still 15 minutes. If I start also, it doesn't make sense. Okay, I'll wrap it up the session then. Okay, if you people are not having any queries, means Pradeep, are you okay with this, or else anything? If you want me, if you're having any other queries also, I wanna clear you. Tell me.
Not for now. I will catch up with the rest before classes, so I will.
Okay, fine. Just join the classes. You're going to clear all your doubts.
Okay, thank you. If I have any, I will ask
Okay,
you right
fine.
away. So
Okay, fine. I think you have attended data science demo also, no? Or else this is your first demo.
no, this is my first one.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then I'll wrap it up the session then. If not anything, if people, can I? Shall I?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'm closing session. Okay, fine. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.